The sentence that Vandenberg received is the same sentence that a person would get for second-degree murder.
Convicted rapist Brandon Vandenberg will have the next 17 years behind bars to consider what he's done. Good evening and welcome to Channel 4 News at 10. 2 have been sentenced, 2 more to go. The Vanderbilt rape case, though, is far from over.
It is. It's been 3 years since the case first opened, but it's now moving forward. The state is setting its eyes now on 2 more defendants. Channel 4's Heather Horrigan is here with what it all means.
2 more to go is exactly right, but what that looks like is not clear and won't happen anytime soon. Lawyers tell me if a trial date was set, say, as soon as Monday, the earliest date would be next summer, and that's if it even goes to trial.
I am here before the court, saddened, scared, ashamed, and remorseful for the crimes that I've been convicted of.
Brandon Vandenberg's pleas for a 15-year sentence fell on deaf ears as the judge tacked on 2 years more than the minimum sentence. Corey Beatty was sentenced this summer to 15 years. But what about the other 2, Jaborian McKenzie and Brandon Banks? All 4 of them were in the same dorm room the night an unconscious Vanderbilt student was raped.
They're on bond, and they don't have any restrictions that I'm aware of on bond.
Waiting for their cases to either be settled or go to trial.
Based on my conversations with attorneys involved, the state and the defense attorneys are very, very far apart. And it would not shock me that the case gets set for trial.
But that wouldn't happen for some time.
So they have been cooperating, but obviously all their cases are still pending. They're charged with everything that Vandenberg and Beatty were charged with and convicted of in many ways.
Convictions that would be given for second-degree murder or the rape of a 13-year-old.
They're awfully, awfully stiff, serious sentences that they've been handing out.
The fate of McKenzie and Banks is still unclear, but Todd says Banks will be next. And I did ask how they choose the order the defendants are tried, and Todd says the prosecution chooses based on the degree of culpability. Tom?
Oregon, Heather, thanks.